tell us about your journey from last year coming into this year and some of the changes that have been made in your life, sir.
Let me give some numbers. So when I came here, I had just been 3 months in the kingdom.
Okay.
And I came here 1 year ago, right? So 1 year and 3 months ago, I came into the kingdom. And so I came that Sunday to perform and returned to my church, and I just started coming here. I came back, interestingly, on Wednesday, January 11th. I came on a whim. I was sick. I said, "One going to I was coughing badly." But again, take the band. I'm like, "Come, church." I'm like, "Come, let's pass through." And I passed through that Wednesday, January 11th. I came, up to that point, I didn't even know what a person looked like. I was him on the radio. I didn't know what the man looked like. So I came here just because my friends said, "Come," and I come. So I came, and I sat there. And when he was introduced, this man came on singing, and I thought, that man who was singing is not the apostle. He's going to sing and then bring on the apostle. And I never forget, he was singing the same song, Jesus Be Jesus in Me. Yes. And then he paused and started looking around. And then I said, "Oh my God, don't call me, don't call me. I didn't want to be seen publicly." Yes, right, and he called me out. And he ministered unto me and prophesied in my life. He spoke things that nobody could know except people who are very, very close to me, right? He spoke things that I know that, there's no if and but after that. I know that this man is blessed, is special. And he spoke something that I knew had happened, but nobody even knew about it, and he spoke it publicly. But he also said some things. Up to that point, I had just come back to living in Jamaica. I never had a job. I had my job with my company, but I never had a paying job that, apart from just doing a gig here and there. And he said, "You're going to teach better." At the time, I never had a teaching job. He said, "You're going to teach better." Within a month after that, I had 3 part-time teaching jobs. 3 part-time teaching jobs. And then I started to go back to school myself. So it's amazing. Wow. He said, "I see book where I write." Wow. He said, "I see a brand new car." Up to that point, I've been renting car. Now I now have the paperwork for a brand new Honda Civic. It's coming in December 30. Wow. Everything that he has said has come to pass. Everything he has said has come to pass. I have no option but to be here. Wow. My life has been blessed by being here in every single way, I'm telling you. So it's just, I'm home. GWIF is home. There's no if and but about that. This is my home in God.
Powerful testimony. My God. Wow. That's like a life-changing experience that happens in what? In a year?
In a year. In a year, I've seen every single month there's been a change, there's been growth, there's been abundance. That's a fall back at me. I'm telling you, man, GWIF is a blessed place. I want to tell the world, to tell the entire Jamaica, to tell the universe that there is something in this place. There's the presence of God in this place. There's no if and but about that. I can tell you. I'm not talking about it in my mouth. This place is blessed. This church is blessed. This ministry is blessed by God. And I am here to testify to that.
Before you go, we want you to big up apostle and pastor. You can't go to a country and not honor the king of the country. Please do so, sir.
Oh, what can I say? I'm a man of words, and sometimes words escape me. Sometimes words escape me. To speak of Apostle Andrew Scott. I'm telling you, I'm blessed that I now have access to Apostle. I can call him, and I'm telling you, I have called him in times when I felt completely down, and he's lifted my spirit with words, with instruction, with inspiration, with blessing. I go to his house, and he feed me with solid sustenance and with the word of God. I must say something. I can't talk this. I'm saying moment. I was going to travel. I come to him and I said, "Apostle, I just wanted to just bless this trip I'm going on." Right? I was going on a trip where things were very slim and unsure, but I came to him just for blessing for the trip. And he blessed me and prayed with me. And then he gave me an envelope and said, "Where is the Blakka? Give Blakka this." Wow. How could he have known that the trip that was going on, I also had some financial challenges. Wow. And when I opened the envelope, I saw $500 US. Oh my God. Wow. My barely living in water. Oh my God. I'm telling you, when people talk about in a churches and we get the word about sowing and sowing and sowing. People might say, oh, the pastor want to reach out for you. But I'm telling you, the pastor is enriching me. I can tell you that. He's enriching me. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, the man give me money when I needed it. I never even asked for it. I asked, and somehow he knew that I needed the money. And the man give me the money. No, hello. I'm telling you, man. And as somebody who is married and have my own struggle with my own marriage, I look to Apostle and his wife and I see a model, an exemplary model of what marriage is. And I say, if I can model that, if not in this marriage, in some other marriage, but I see a model of what can be, what should be, and what will be. And I'm saying, God, you know, but I see what is good, and I want to admire and aspire and emulate what is good. So, Apostle Dr. Andrew J. Scott and Pastor Dorothy Scott, you have no idea how much of a blessing you are to all of us. And all I can say is, you show me love, that I want to live love and be love. Bless you now. From this crown of your head to the sole of your feet, you are doing something great. Just go and do it.
All right, so our final words, Blakka. We want you to encourage our Facebook audience, our internet audience, our viewers and our listeners. Just leave an encouraging word with them, please.
Wherever you are in the world, if you're linking to GWIF online, you're linking online, the online is divine. I promise you. Whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, wherever you are, link us online. The link is divine. Stay hooked to GWIF. Stay connected, because you're gonna stay blessed. I can promise you. I have been touched, you'll be touched too. So just keep the link, keep the connection. It's a divine connection. So stay tuned, stay connected, because you're in the right place at the right time. I mean, I just rhyme. I tell you the truth. It is the truth as God loved. GWIF is blessed. Come taste and see. Get the lift, get the gift, get the connection to GWIF.